children? Day before yesterday, what did I teach you, ma? Lesson number 3 completed, no children? Yes, children. Okay, open the textbook, ma. If you have textbook, open textbook. We will complete the blanks. True or false matchings, ma. Textbook open. Okay, open page number 23. Open page number 23. Yes, children. They are asking grass-eating animals. What are the grass-eating animals? Tell me. Already know that. Which animals eat plants and the leaves of plants and grass? Yes. Cow. Right, Nana? Cow. Which animals eat grass? C-O-W, cow. Yes. Goat. Goat. G-O-A-T, goat. And buffalo and deer. Many more animals. Okay, many more animals eat grass and leaves of plants. See the next question. Flesh-eating animals. Which animals hunt and kill the other animals? Yes, right. Okay, you are right. Yes, lion. Okay, tiger and wolf. Okay, and also many animals. Cheetah, many animals. Okay, so what are the flesh-eating animals? Lion, tiger and wolf. Write these three. Okay, and go to next page. Page number 27. Page number 27, amma. Okay, so yes, page number 27. Okay, page number 26. See here, amma. Paste and draw the pictures of the animals in your notebook. See here. Yes, page number 26. Paste. They are asking. Paste or draw pictures of the animals in your notebook. What they are asking is swallow food. Which animals swallow the food, ma? Yes, frog. Frog and lizard. Yes, frogs have long sticky tongue, no children? Frog and lizard swallow their food. Okay, they don't have teeth. That's why they swallow their food. Okay, and grinding food with teeth. Grinding food with teeth. Okay, which animals have grinding teeth? Grass eating animals also have grinding teeth, and also flesh eating animals also have grinding teeth. So cow and deer. Next question. Gnaw their food. Gnaw their food. That means what? Gnaw means bite repeatedly. Rabbit and squirrel gnaw their food. Rabbit and squirrel gnaw their food. Open page number 27. Open. Page number 27. Here they are giving. Yes, they given only few blanks and 4 blanks. Already I wrote on the board. Page number 27. Page number 27. Open, ma. Already I wrote on the blackboard. Come on, read the first question. Birds. Okay, rabbits dash their food. Rabbits and squirrel front teeth are very sharp. Front 2 teeth are very sharp. Okay, that's why they cut the fruits and nuts and seeds with the help of front sharp teeth. Okay, so rabbit and squirrel, okay, cut and break the seeds into simpler and small pieces. So those animals are called gnawing animals. Okay, so rabbits gnaw their food. G-N-A-W, gnaw means what? Bite repeatedly. They break the seeds and nuts into simple and smaller pieces. Okay, with the help of front 2 sharp teeth. Okay, so rabbits gnaw their food. Now next question is lizards eat dash its food as a whole. Okay, so lizards, they don't have teeth, no children. Lizards and frogs, okay, use tongue. Long sticky tongue. Lizards, they don't have teeth, no children. That's why they do not chew. They swallow their food as a whole. Okay, is it clear? Lizards and frogs, they don't have teeth. That's why they do not chew the food. Okay, so how they eat the food? They swallow the food. Okay, they swallow its food. Lizards, swallow means bring the tongue. Swallow the food, its whole. Okay, next question is herbivorous animals chew the cud, chew the grass. Herbivorous animals chew the grass, chew the cud. Herbivorous animals like cows, buffalo, goat, deer, zebra, okay, elephant. These animals first cut the grass and swallow. Whenever they are relaxing, they bring food back to the mouth and chew it again and again and again. That process is called chewing the cud. Is it clear? Okay, whenever they are relaxing, they bring food from the stomach to the mouth and chew it again and again. That process is called chewing the cud. So, who are cud chewing animals? Cow, deer, goat, elephant. Okay, these are all the cud chewing animals. So, herbivorous animal chew the cud. Okay, number of times it chew the grass. Okay, now next question. See, tigers have strong grinding teeth. Okay, so tigers front teeth are very sharp and long pointed. Canines are well developed to carnivorous animals. Lion and tigers are carnivorous animals, so they have canines are well developed. Here teeth are very long and sharp and pointed to tear the flesh of other animals. They also have strong grinding teeth to chew the flesh and bones. Okay, so tigers have strong grinding teeth. Back teeth are called grinding teeth. Okay, which help them to chew the bones and also meat. Okay, I go to next. True or false? Page number 27. Page number 27. Open number. Yes. Page number 28. Open number. True or false? They given page number 28. True or false? Okay, I am reading first question. Listen, butterflies are blood-sucking animals. Is butterfly suck the blood? No. Butterflies suck the honey or nectar from the flowers. Is it true or false? Butterflies are blood-sucking animals. Who are blood-sucking animals? Leech and mosquito. But here they given butterfly. Is it true or false? Yes, you are right. It is the false. Butterflies suck nectar, honey from the flowers. So this is the false. So right, false. Go to next question. Frogs chew their food. Are they have teeth? They don't have teeth. But how can they chew their food? Is it true? False. So frogs chew their food. Frogs do not have teeth. Frogs swallow their food. So that's why this is also false. Enter this one also. Next question. Listen what I am reading. Snakes are herbivorous animals. Okay, snakes are herbivorous animals. Is it true or false? It is a false. Snakes eat insects. Snake eats frogs. Okay, snake is a carnivorous animal. But here they given herbivorous. That's why it is a false. Okay, snakes are okay carnivorous animals. That's why that statement is false. Now, bear is an omnivorous animal. Bear eat all varieties of food. That's why this statement is correct. So true. Bear eat all varieties of food. Okay. So that's why it is true. Now, buffalo swallow their food after chewing. Buffaloes swallow their food after chewing. Is it true or false? After chewing. Okay, this is false. First buffaloes swallow their food. No children. First buffaloes swallow their food. Later, when they are relaxing, they bring food back to the mouth and chew it again and again and again. Okay na? First swallow their food. Okay na? After chewing not. Okay, false. Okay, first swallow their food. Okay, after chewing. That's why it is false. See here next one. Sixth question. The process of eating and being eaten is called food chain. Right only. True. Okay. What is called food chain? The process of eating and being eaten is called a food chain. Okay. Day before yesterday. Okay. I told about the food chain. No children. I taught about the food chain. No. Okay. Now the link between the plants and animal for the sake of food is known as the food chain. No children. Okay. And all food chain starts with the plants and end with the carnivorous Okay, carnivore. Okay, na grass. Who will eat the grass? Grasshopper. Okay, who will eat the grasshopper? Frog. Okay, frogs are eaten by snakes. Snakes are eaten by eagle. This is called food chain. See, this is like a chain, no children. There are many links are there. In a chain, links are there, no children. This link means eaten by. This link means in a food chain, eaten by. Okay, grass is eaten. Okay, grasshopper is eaten by frog, like that. So grasshopper eat insects. Okay, frog eat insects. Okay, na snake eat frog. Eagle eat snake. Okay, children, is eaten by. Is it clear, amma? Okay, na? Okay, grass is eaten by grasshopper, frog is eaten by grasshopper, like that. So this is called a food chain. The process of eating and being eaten is called a food chain. Okay, all food chain starts with the plant. Plants are producers, plants are autotrophs. They only prepare the food, and end with the carnivore. Okay, you too make 2 or more food chains with the help of your mom or dad. Okay, will you do? Yes. Okay, now yes, now blanks, amma. Page number 28. They given help box for you. Okay, you are small kids, no, that's why they given help box, amma. Blanks. Cats lap up milk with their tongue. Cat and dog lap up milk, like that, no children. So with the help of tongue. So cats lap up milk with the help of tongue. 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 Next, see here, dash animals are plant eating animals. Who are plant eating animals? Herbivorous animals are plant eating animals. Herbivorous. Spelling, see, herbi, H-E-R-B-I. Herbi means plant. Herba, herbi means plant. Vorous means eater. Herbivorous, plant eaters. Plant eating animals are called herbivores. Go to next question, third question. Dash animals are flesh eating animals. Carnivorous. Yes, carnivorous. Carni, flesh. Carni means flesh. Vores means eater. So carnivorous animals are flesh eating animals. Next question. Go to next question, fourth question. See once from your textbook. Dash animals eat both flesh and plants. Who are they? Omnivorous. Omnivorous means all variety eater. Okay, omnivorous eat both plants and omni means all variety eater. Okay, na? Omnivorous. Omnivorous. V-O-R-O-U-S. Vorous. Vorous means eater. Vorous means eater. Omnivorous means all variety eater. Crow, bear, dog, many more animals also there. Rat, pig, okay, cockroaches, all okay, eat all varieties of food. Human beings also eat all varieties of food. Okay, next one more question is there. Okay, dash gnaw their food. Gnaw, bite repeatedly. What is that? Rabbit. Okay, so rabbits, rabbits gnaw their food. They bite repeatedly. Okay, is it clear? Go to next page, 29 page. Open the textbook, page number 29. Matching is there. They given matching for you. Okay, now flesh eating animals. I will show the textbook for you. Flesh eating animals. Okay, flesh eating animals. Who are they? Flesh eating animals. Carnivorous animals. Okay, carnivorous animals are flesh eating animals. Now plant eating animals are called herbivorous animals. Animals which live in water. Fish live in the water. Blood sucking animal, leech. Leech is the blood sucking animal. Lizard swallow their food as a whole. This is the matching. If you don't have textbook, take screenshot. Okay, take screenshot, amma. Okay, see, flesh eating animal, carnivorous animal. Flesh eating animals, carnivorous animal. Plant eating animals, okay, herbivorous animals. Okay, next, animals which live in the water. Fish live in the water. Fourth one, blood sucking animal, leech. Leech has suckers to suck the blood from other animals. Okay na, leeches live in the pond amma, water no children. When the animals are enter the water, leeches suck the blood from other animals. Leeches have suckers to suck the blood of other animals. Okay, butterfly and mosquito have long tube-like structures are present on their heads. Those acts like a straw. Okay, we use straw for sucking coconut water, no, or juices, no, like that. They too have suckers, long tube-like mouth parts on their heads, to suck the blood or to suck the honey from the others. Okay, so lizard swallow their food. Lizard, though they don't have teeth, that's why they swallow their food as a whole. Is it clear, ma? Okay, third lesson completed. Tomorrow I will tell you fourth lesson. You have to read the textbook. Okay, I will send all question and answers and full blanks and true or false matching through WhatsApp. Okay, read. Okay, stay safety, amma. Okay, stay home and stay healthy. You have to read textbook and notes. Okay, if you got any doubt, ask your mother or dad. Is it clear? Bye. Take care. See you later.